Bonjour! In this video we're gonna cover how to get the most out of your meet and greet characters in Disneyland Paris. Hi, my name is Marieke and I'm from Magical Vacation Guide, and thank you so much for watching our video. Disneyland Paris is the place where your stories come to life and where you can feel the magic. And meet and greeting characters is one of the biggest things that makes the magic come alive. So you want to get the most out of it, and we're gonna help you. So stay tuned and find out. First, the thing you need to know is where are the character meet and greets. The best thing is to consult the Disneyland Paris map or Disneyland Paris app on your phone. Here you can find all the meet and greet characters and the location and the time on where to meet them. But don't be fooled, because you can always run into a spontaneous meeting with your favorite Disney characters, so keep your eyes out. If you're wondering what we mean with spontaneous location, here behind us we have one of those spontaneous locations. It is not set on the app that this meeting will take place here in Fantasyland. This is across this It's a Small World, and it's actually a pretty known location for a spontaneous visit. Also, other pretty known locations for spontaneous meet and greets are in Adventureland between Haiti's Outpost and Indiana Jones, and there's also one, I believe, at with the Casey's Junior train. Sometimes we haven't seen that a lot lately, but we have seen it there.
Yes, and also in Discoveryland between Hyperion Cafe and Star Traders.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And just behind the Hyperion Cafe?
Yes.
Oh, I did not know that. Wow.
You're welcome.
Must be very spontaneous meet and greet then. And there they are, here behind Hyperion Cafe, Minnie and Pluto. Also really important when meeting a character is always to respect their personal space and wait your turn. A cast member will call upon you to meet that character. That is very important because it enhances the experiences of other guests, and you don't want to happen it to you as well. And if you have young children who are meeting a new character, here's our advice. Prepare them for meeting that character. Who is that character? Where did they know them from? But also, more importantly, what can they expect? Do they want to give or could give a hug or a high five? That is really important for young children, so they don't have this, oh, what do I have to do moment, or they are invading their personal space and don't wait their turn.
Sit down.
Over there. Over here. More.
Hello, Captain Marvel. We're coming from the Netherlands. Hello. Hello. Good. You? What's your name? Marika. Okay. And you?
Mark.
Mark?
Yeah.
Okay. Have to try the web.
The what? Yeah,
We've seen the web.
yes.
Okay, it's good?
Yes.
Okay.
Really hard score.
Your arm wasn't touching?
No.
Okay. You are superhero. But yes, okay. I'm Captain Marvel, but you can call me Carol. Okay? Do you want to take a picture with me?
Yes, of course.
You can meet all kinds of characters here in Disneyland Paris. One of the most popular characters you can meet is Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and Stitch behind me. You can also meet the Winnie the Pooh characters, Marvel superheroes, and Disney princesses. Oh, by the way, we forgot we have the ultimate tip if you want to meet a lot of characters at once and have a breakfast or a dinner. You can do character dining. This way you can have the ultimate Disney experience and meet a lot of characters at once. If you have young children and you want to meet all the characters and you still want to do all the shows and all the rides that day, this is the perfect solution. You can meet so many characters. We have met characters at breakfast in Garden Plaza, at Central Plaza, and we have met 6 characters, including a couple of rare ones. We made a whole video about our experience of character breakfast at Garden Plaza, so if you're interested, definitely check that out. And lastly, when meeting a character, make sure to be creative with your interaction. You can make a joke, you can take a picture in a certain pose if you like to. Just be creative. The cast members will love it. But be sure that you are not taking all the time. You want to take time with the character, but not like, oh, can we do like a TikTok dance or something? I don't know if they will appreciate it because it will not enhance the experience of other guests. With all this information about meeting characters in Disneyland Paris, I want to close the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching. And by the way, we have all these links down below where you can book your own Disneyland Paris vacation and meet the characters that we have introduced you in this video. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up on this video if you like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in another video. Bye!